I'm giving her a 10.
Joanne didn't. Hey guys, welcome to my week of Come Down With Me. This is really embarrassing. I'm actually cringing. So welcome to Come Down With Me. This week I got given American. Got some planned, right? So I'm thinking corn on the cob, onion rings, honey glazed chicken wings, hot dogs, and then I was gonna make a cheesecake, but I don't think that that's gonna be possible because I think that they take quite long. I'm probably just gonna buy a cheesecake. I'm quite stressed. I've taken the whole day off uni to do this. That's me just in from the shop and I'm sweating so much. Like, I got the bus back, but I had to run across the road to get the bus because I was on the wrong side. Anyway, let's go through what I got. So this for ice cream floats. I got these, but now I don't really think I need them. 3 things of halloumi fries. I've got a special recipe for them. Turning the cob. Very American. Size of that. I didn't like get light on purpose, it was just a cheaper one. I got garlic like bunched up because I was gonna buy garlic clove, but then I was like, you always end up forgetting about them, especially if there's like 5 people in the flat and there's like 500 different garlic cloves. Okay, bitches. It is now, it's actually quite early, but I just wanna be in the bowl with this. So first thing we're doing is cutting up the chips. So the first step of that is to peel the potatoes. See, this is why you have to have more than one peeler because some are just maybe that's... What? Don't come in, don't come in.
Can you pass me my jacket?
Yeah.
The green one.
Yeah. Wait, the brown one?
Green one.
So like Katie's?
Yeah. Katie's.
Do you want this one as well?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know that I was always better now. So right now those are cooking for the hot dogs. The starters are almost made, there's the halloumi fries, but the chicken wings are still cooking. This is the sauce for the chicken wings, sauce for the halloumi fries. The mozzarella sticks, corn on the cob, onion rings. So I've got the chips. Come in. Right, so it's
Oh my gosh.
it's hot dogs. I don't know if some people maybe guessed that, and they've got like a maple onions on them. Yeah.
Oh, they're like so bougie.
Yeah, they're like they're like a maple syrup, honey glazed onions.
I guessed it as well.
I thought it was gonna be burgers.
No, I guessed it.
Yeah.
No, I guessed it. No, I guessed it.
So unpredictable apparently.
Yeah, Laura.
So this is the dessert, it's Coke floats, but there was a choice between people that did and didn't have it. Katie had it. Joanne didn't.
It's very sweet, but it's nice.
Right everyone, so I'm here to give you the lowdown on my rating for Laura's Come Down With Me. So I'm going to give it a 6 because I really enjoyed the starter. One thing, I don't really like chicken drumsticks, which no fault of hers. They were still really yummy, the sauce was lovely. Presentation maybe could have been a bit better. And I feel like for starters in American, I don't know, I enjoyed it to be fair. I loved the corn. Love the onion rings. I love the shitty onion rings, so I really enjoyed it. Then main was hot dogs and chips. Chips, little bit of a stingy portion, but to be fair, I'm full at the end of it. But that's my... I could have increased the chips. Maybe curly fries could have like really gone over the top with it. But I did appreciate that they were homemade. And the hot dog I thought was lovely. Only critique from that is that the sausages weren't big enough for the bun. The caramelized onions, gorgeous, literally so nice. 10 out of 10 for that. But overall I think the dessert maybe wasn't thought through as in what was going to score the most points, because it was what are they called? Fizzy float. I don't know what they call it. Ice cream float. I personally didn't like them. Joanne didn't like them. So I think that's just gonna knock her score down because I just don't like them. So I'm not gonna rate it very highly. But yeah, giving her a 6.
Right, okay, so I'm going to give Laura a 5. Now, I'm going to do this because, for a starter, I love the corn on the cob and the halloumi fries, but chicken on the bone's just not one for me. And then I actually enjoyed the main. I loved the onions in the hot dog and chips like you done, Laura, but I think you know that. It's not your fault, it's the oven, but gotta be harsh on these things. And the Coke float, wasn't the biggest fan, but it was nice. I liked it, so that's why I'm giving you a 5.
Okay, hey girls, right. Laura's American. I thought the starter was yum, ate it. Chicken, I won't lie, the sauce was really nice, but the chicken was a bit scary. So much a bit scary. Main course was really yum. Really appreciated the homemade chips. Thought that was a really nice touch. Portion was a little bit small though. Buns of the hot dog were really good because nice proper bread. That was really good, but I could have had a bit of a bigger sausage in it. But it was really nice. Pudding, I love the pudding. Coke float right on my street. Nah, ice cream and Coke, that was really good. But because of the starter and the sausage and the chips, Laura gal, I'm gonna give you 6. Which, you know, I can't really talk, but I'm gonna give you a 6. You know, love the pudding, and I love the chips, if there was more of them. And you forgot about the coleslaw. If you had the coleslaw, you know, you could have been at an 8, maybe a 7, but for Laura Duff, it's a 6. Okay.
I will start off with the starters. I really enjoyed the halloumi fries, they're really nice. I love halloumi, so that was a big hit. Corn on the cob, I fucking love corn on the cob, and that was, I like the garlic touch. I've never tried that with that corn on the cob before. It had like garlic. And then the chicken wings I liked. I really liked the sauce it was in. It was really nice. It was like sesame, honey. It was really good. Main course. Now see, I'm not a huge lover on onions. I don't like mustard. And the onions were done in a mustard sauce, I think. Don't know. However, I did actually like it in the but yeah, so anyway, back to hot dog. I fucking loved the bun. The bun tasted so good, and then the sauce was really nice. But yeah, hot dog wouldn't really be my choice of meal, but it was nice and I did enjoy it. The chips, it was a little bit of a small portion of chips, but the taste was really good, and she homemade them herself, which was really good. The dessert, I don't like. It was a Coke float. I don't like Coke. I don't really like fizzy drinks, so I just opted for the vanilla ice cream by itself, and I don't love vanilla ice cream, so the dessert kind of let it down. So I think overall I'm gonna give her a 6. She put in a lot of effort and it was really tasty. It just, the dessert, it didn't really hit it for me. Other than that, it was really nice.